2018 Jeep Wrangler JK. With less than 68,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It's cleverly designed to maximize convenience and comfort with features such as satellite radio, four-wheel drive, tinted windows, Bluetooth, brake assist, roll bars, steering wheel audio controls, engine immobilizer, auxiliary input, aluminum wheels, leather-wrapped steering wheel, stability control, passenger side airbag sensor, adjustable steering wheel, traction control. Find your dream car and drive it home today.